Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Arts Method Spoon. Kumar with you. I am sure that you are enjoying the dishes. Here I am going to prepare a new item, Arabian or Middle East special, Thamiya, Falafel. It's an afternoon dish, easy cook when you are going out with your children to park or beach or anywhere. You can easily cook and keep it in the bag. So hope you will like it. And do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you will get the updates. So let us see what are the ingredients required for this Thamiya or falafel. I have taken here 1.5 cup of chickpeas which I soaked overnight, and actually minimum 9 hours, okay, and remove from water and kept it ready. And 1 cup of parsley leaf and half cup of cabbage which I fried, and when I fry I add a little a pinch of asafoetida, and I will be taking 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of this coriander leaves. I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and around 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt as required. Yeah, let's start. I'm going to grind this coarsely grind, okay, these chickpeas first. Then I will be grinding this coriander leaves and parsley also, okay. Yeah, it's a chickpeas coarsely grinded. Now I will be grinding the parsley leaves and coriander leaves. Yeah, I'm going to add the cabbage also, it's fried one, that I'll be grinding that also, okay. Yeah, the chickpea and the coriander leaves and parsley leaves are ready. I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, I think that's enough. So it will hold itself. Then I'll be adding here 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Okay, yeah, that's it. And around say 1 teaspoon of cumin powder also, and salt as required. Add it here. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, and I'll be mixing it. Okay, let us mix it. Yeah, the mix is ready. Here I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking powder which I forgot to mention. Okay, and I will mix it again for a minute. Okay, so let us start. I'm going to on the fire now. Okay, so this is the size of the Thamiya. Okay, the oil is hot. You have to keep the fire in medium size, not high. So this is a deep fried. Yeah, let me flip it over. Yeah, it looks very nice. Okay, you know, in market there is the Thamiya maker is available, but I didn't buy it. Meantime I will roll the other balance one also. Yeah, it's ready now. I'm going to remove it. Okay, yeah, let us see how we can make this Thamiya falafel. Okay, falafel are already ready, so let us see how we can roll it with bread. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes, medium size, and 1 cucumber, and 1 cup of cabbage cut into small pieces like this. Here I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of tahini. Yeah, tahini means, you know, white sesame seeds paste. You can see that. Okay, here I add 2 tablespoons, and I am going to add again 2 tablespoons of eggless mayo. I bought Americana eggless mayo, 2 tablespoons. Okay, yeah, this is the one I want. Okay, going to add maybe 1 tablespoon of jalapeno. Jalapeno means green chili sauce. Okay, this will give more taste. Okay, this is the one. Okay, I'm going to mix it. Yeah, mix is ready now. Here I got some chili, green chili cut in small pieces. This is actually optional because children may not like chili. So those who want to add chili, they can add. Now let us make how it is. Yeah, here I made chapati for this or roti for this. Now you can make it with Lebanese kupus. Also you can make it. Okay, so easy to make. Okay, I'm going to roll it actually. I'm going to roll it. Okay, you can make it on bun also or bread also as you like. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one. Okay, okay, I have to take one, just cut into pieces. Okay, add some salad to it. Okay, keep one more. Okay, add some more salad to it. See, good. Okay, here I'm going to add a little bit of chili. You can just to show you. Okay, and roll it. You can roll it. That's ready now. Now actually this you have to roll it on a baking paper or sandwich paper. I don't have right now, so I'm going to roll it in a thick tissue paper. Okay, just roll it. Yeah, and your Thamiya is ready to eat. You can have it right now.
Bye.
Welcome back. Yes, my little princess is ready to taste the new item.
Yay, Thamiya.
Yeah, Thamiya falafel. Yeah. Can you taste it?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
It's good.
Yeah.
I love it.
Is it?
Can you make it for me in the bun?
Yes, surely. You can make it in bun. We can make it in bread. As you like. Yes, we can make it. No
What
problem.
bread?
You know, this very small pieces of bread or even small rolls, no? We can make it, no problem. Yeah.
Like, share and subscribe.
But, as I told before, please do not forget to subscribe and try it at home. Children will like it. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.